Take a ride in the 2021 Encore GX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.2-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, power driver seat.